Good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to today's online class of grade 3rd. Hope you all are doing well with your online studies. Hope you all are using your time wisely in doing studies. Okay children, today I am back with the new topic that is called conjunctions. Okay children. So what is our today's topic? What is our today's topic children? Our today's topic is conjunctions. Okay? Our today's topic is conjunctions. Okay children? So what do we mean by conjunctions? Conjunctions are the joining words. Okay children? Conjunction means joining together. What is the meaning of conjunction means? Conjunction means joining together. Conjunction means joining together. Okay children, conjunction means joining together. Conjunction is a word which joins two sentences, two words or the two group of the words. Conjunction means joining together children. Conjunction is a word that is used to join the two sentences, the two words or the two group of the words. Okay children. What is the meaning of conjunction? Conjunction is a word that is used to join two sentences. Okay children, that is used to join the sentences, words or the group of the words. Conjunction is a word that is used to join the sentences. Conjunction is a word that is used to join the sentences, the words and group of words. Okay children, and group of words. Okay children, so what do you mean by conjunction? Conjunctions are the joining words. Conjunction means joining together. Conjunction is a word that is used to join the sentences, the words and the group of the words. Okay? So here C-O-N, con means together. Okay, con means together. Okay children, in conjunction con means together and junction means to join. Con means together. Junction means to join. What is the meaning of junction children? to join. So here conjunction means to join together. Okay, conjunction means con means together, junction means to join. Con means together, junction means to join. So what is the meaning of conjunction? To join together. Okay, to join together. Whether sentences, whether are they words or group of words. Okay children, we use these conjunctions to join the words or the sentences when we are talking about something. Okay, so what is the meaning of conjunction? Conjunction, children? Conjunction means joining together. Okay children, conjunction is a word that is used to join the sentences, the words or the group of the words are called conjunctions. Okay children, con means together and junction means to join. Okay, let us see some examples for conjunctions. Okay, so see here there are two sentences. Muskan will go to the fair tomorrow. Muskan will go to the fair tomorrow. Brinda will go to the fair tomorrow. So here children, Muskan will go to the fair tomorrow and Brinda will go to the fair tomorrow. Okay children, here children, both of them are going to do the same work. Muskan also will go to the fair tomorrow and Brinda will go to the fair tomorrow. They both are going to do the same work children. So we really need to write the two sentences children. We really need to write the two sentences? No. We can join and write as one sentence children. Okay. We join and write one sentence. So what will be the sentence children after joining? We really need to write the two sentences same? No. Okay. We can join and write in one sentences. Okay children, they both are going to do the same work. So we can join and write in one sentences by using the conjunction children. Conjunction are the words that joins the sentences, the words, the group of the words. So here we don't have to use the same sentence twice. Okay, we can join and write as one sentence by using the conjunction. So what will be the sentence after joining children? So how we write? Muskan. What will be the sentence children after joining? Muskan and Brinda will go to the fair tomorrow. Muskan and Brinda will go So here we don't need to use two sentences. We can join and write as one sentence, children. Okay, so here we have to take, see children, how we have written in the one sentence. Which conjunction we have used here? We have used and to join the two sentences. Okay, here Muskan and Vrinda. So here we have used and. This is called conjunction. We are using and to join the two sentences. Okay, here Muskan and Vrinda will go to the fair tomorrow. Here which is the common part in the same sentences, children? Which is the common part in the two sentences? Will go to the fair tomorrow and will go to the fair tomorrow. These both are the same sentences. These both are the common sentences. So we have to write these both sentences as one sentence. Okay, children? See here I have written in only one sentence. These both are same. So only one time we have to use. And Muskan and Vrinda we have to use by adding the conjunction between them. Okay? Muskan and Vrinda. We really don't need to write the two sentences. Okay? We can join and write as one sentence. So here the common part will go to the fair tomorrow. Here also will go to the fair tomorrow are common. They both are same. So we have to use only one time. Okay, we'll go to the fair tomorrow and here Muskan and Vrinda. We have to add conjunction and. So this is the conjunction and is here conjunction that is adding the both sentence, that is joining the both sentences together. Okay. So here after joining these both sentences we got Muskan and Vrinda will go to the fair tomorrow. So here and is the conjunction, children. Okay. Now let us see one more example. Would you like to take an ice cream? Would you like to take a cold drink? Would you like to Would you like to take an ice cream? Would you like to take a cold drink? Okay, children, here we have would you like to take an ice cream? Would you like to take a cold drink? So here we don't have to use the two sentences for the same sake. Okay, children? So here we have the choices. Okay, children? In these two sentences we have the choices. What is that choice? Ice cream and cold cream. Okay? Sorry, ice cream and cold drinks. So for the choices we have to use the conjunction. Okay? We really don't need to write the two sentences. Okay, we really don't need to ask as a two sentence. We can join and ask. Okay children, we can join and ask. Okay, so which are the two common parts over here? Would you like to take an ice cream? So here, would you like to and would you like to. See, there are two common. So here there are there are same common thing in the two sentences. So we don't need to use the common sentence twice. Okay children, we can ask only once. Would you like to take and would you like to take? These two sentences are the same. They are common. So we don't need to use twice. So we can use only once in the sentence by adding the conjunction. For the choices, here ice cream and cold drink. For choices we have to use or conjunction children. Okay. So after adding the two sentences, what we will get children? So would you like to take an ice cream or a cold drink? So here we have used or conjunction children. So here we have used or conjunction. For the choice, when we are talking about the choices, we have to use or conjunction children. Okay, here we don't really need to ask two times. Would you like to take an ice cream? Would you like to take a cold drink? Okay, we can, for the choices we can use the conjunction. For asking the choices we can use the conjunction or. Okay children, so here for the choices we have an ice cream and a cold drink children. Okay. Now let us see the third one children. Third example, for the choices which conjunction we have to use? Or. Okay, we don't need to use the common part twice. Okay, we can use only once. Would you like to take an ice cream or cold drink? So here we can join and write the sentence by using the conjunction. Okay children, now let us see the third example. Third one is Sheetal is poor. She is happy. Can you see here children? There are two sentences. Sheetal is poor. Sheetal is happy. So there are two sentences. Okay children. These poor and happy. Poor and happy. These both are, okay children, poor and happy. These both are showing the opposite ideas. Okay children, poor and happy. These both are the opposite ideas. Being poor and being happy. These are showing the opposite ideas. They are the opposite ideas. So how we join the both sentences children? How we join the both sentences? When there are opposite ideas. So how we join, children, when there are the opposite ideas? When there are opposite ideas, we have to join and write by using the conjunction but. Okay, children, for the opposite ideas, we have to use but conjunctions. Let us see how we write. Sheetal is poor but happy. Okay, children. So here Sheetal is poor but happy. So here but we are using but is the conjunction. So children, here but is the conjunction. The conjunction is adding two sentences together here. Okay children, here which is the common part, children? Sheetal is, she is. So we don't really need to use the common part twice. We can use only once. Okay children, so here we have used once. Sheetal is poor. So here but we have used as conjunction and happy. Sheetal is poor but happy. So but is pointing out here the two opposite ideas. Poor and happy are the opposite ideas. Okay children, to join the two opposite ideas we use but conjunction. To join the choices we use or conjunction. Okay children. Now let us see some more example. So here but, or and are the conjunctions. They join two words or two sentences together. Okay children. So what is the conjunction, children? Conjunction is a joining word which joins two words, two sentences or the group of the words. Okay, they join the sentences, the group of the words or the words. Okay children, now let us see when we should use because. Because is also a conjunction, children. For the choices we have to use or conjunction. For the two opposite ideas we have to use but conjunction. Now let us see when we should use because conjunction. Okay, because. Okay children, because conjunction we are using to show the reason. Okay children, because it used to show the reason. Reason means karana. Okay, because is used to show the reason. Okay children, because we are using to show the reason. So when we should use, children? Because we are using to show the reason. Let us see some example for because. She usually eats at home because she likes cooking. She usually eats at home because she likes cooking. Okay children, she usually eats at home because she likes cooking. So here there are two sentences, children. She usually eats at home and she likes cooking. There are two sentences we have used as one sentence by adding the conjunction because. Okay. So conjunction because is conjunction. So conjunction is joining word. It joins the sentences. Here we have joined two sentences together. She usually eats at home because she likes cooking. So here usually eats at home is one sentence. She likes cooking is one sentence. There are two sentences we have joined as one by adding conjunction because. Because we are using to show the reason. For showing the reason. Reason means karana. So here she usually eats at home because. What is the reason here? She likes cooking. Okay, what is the reason here? Because she likes the cooking. Okay, children. Now let us see the second one. The girl ran because she was afraid. The girl ran because she was afraid. See children, here the girl ran because she was afraid. So here the girl ran and she was afraid. There are two sentences. Okay. So we have joined by adding the conjunction because. It also shows the reason. Okay, why she ran, children? What is the reason? Because she was afraid. What is the reason here? She was afraid, so she ran. Okay, so here we have used because conjunction to join the two sentences and to show the reason. So because is here conjunction. Okay. Third one. I like my father because he is honest. I like my father because he is honest. Honest means pramanika. Okay, children. So here I like my father and he is honest are the two different sentences. We have joined it by adding the conjunction because. I like my father. Why I like my father? What is the reason? Because he is honest. Okay. What is the reason? For showing the reason, we are adding because conjunction. Okay, children. To add the different sentences, to join the different sentences, we are using the conjunction. Here I like my father and he is honest are the different sentences. We have joined it by adding because conjunction to show the reason. Okay children, so because is here conjunction. Okay children, so why we use because? We use because to show the reason, to join the sentences, to join the words. Okay children, now let us see some more examples for but preposition, but conjunction. So when we have to use but conjunction children? To show the, when we are showing the two different ideas, two opposite ideas. Okay, but. is used for two different opposite ideas. But is used to show the two opposite different ideas. Okay children, now let us see the examples for but conjunction. I am very hungry but the fridge is empty. Examples: I am very hungry but the fridge is empty. So here children, look at the sentence. I am very hungry is the one sentence and the fridge is empty is one more sentence. So there are two sentences. We have used as one, we have joined as one by adding the conjunction but. But we used for showing the two different opposite ideas. So here very hungry, I am very hungry. Very hungry is the one idea. And for that opposite idea is the fridge is empty. So I am very hungry is one idea and the fridge is empty is the opposite idea for the hungry. Okay children, where we have to use but conjunction to show the two different opposite ideas. So but is here conjunction. It is showing the two different ideas. It is joining the different sentences. So what is the conjunction? Conjunction means joining together. Okay children, now let us see one more example. I love dogs but I hate cats. I love dogs but I hate cats. Okay, I love dogs but I hate cats. So here love and hate are the two opposite ideas. Okay children, love and hate are the opposite ideas. Here hungry and empty are the opposite ideas. So here we have to use but to join the sentences and to show the opposite ideas. Okay, third one. I want to call him. I want to call him, but I don't have his number. I want to call him, but I don't have his number. So here but is showing the two different opposite ideas. Okay. So here but is the conjunction which is joining the sentences and showing the different ideas. Don't have his number and I want to call him is the opposite ideas children. Okay. Now let us study few more examples for and conjunction. Okay. here examples for and conjunction. We usually use and for joining the two words, children. Okay, whether it is name of word or name of the things. Name of the naming word. So here and examples are I am a wife and a mother. Okay. I am a wife and a mother. She come in the house and her baby started crying. And her baby started crying. So here and are the conjunction. Okay, they join two sentences. Okay, children, have you got it?